Welcome to another video. In this one, we'll talk about the Titan Web Survey List and show you what this feature does. As always, this feature lives under the plus and the Titan Survey column. And where it is, it's over here called the multiple list. What can it be used for? I'll try and give you a few examples today. First of all, here it is. This is what it looks like. You can style it by clicking on the style icon. You've got everything there available. You can use different colors if you want. You can use blue, black. It's really up to you at the end of the day how you want to use it. You can even use an icon. So for example, if I want to use, let's say, a cool car as an icon, I can, and then watch what it looks like. Obviously, you have to adjust the different contain cover for it, but if you click, you will have it available like an icon. So let's say I choose like cover or something, and I go in here. You can see like little Lamborghini has appeared in there, and that's what's really going on. So yeah, that's about it at the end of the day. And all these different attributes are modifiable, and then we get to work. First thing first, if you look at it from this standpoint, you get static values, so you can add your own values if you want at the end of the day, or you can also do dynamic values, which means you can bring from Salesforce. So let's say I bring an account, I bring prospect rating, for example. I click save, preview. Now you can see all these ratings are now available for me to select. Right now it's single selection, so be mindful that can your field actually accept single selection or does it accept multiple selections? Once you've made that judgment, just uncheck single selection if you want to push multiple selections, and then you've got multiple selections now available. How does this work in the push side of things? Well, let me demonstrate. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create an account. And in that account, I've got a field, and it's just a text field called survey response right over here. All right. And then this is where I'm going to push multiple values into this field. So let's get started. And I'm going to create static here. So first thing first, I want to give it a label. How would you, actually I'm just going to call it industry. Industries, for example. All right, so now I'm going to get just an input field, and we'll bring that here, and I'm just going to call this one account name. One of the things I really want to do right now is just modify the size. So we will do the list itself, width of 200 is good. Yeah, let's do 250. Yeah, good enough. Okay, so we now got that working, and now what I'm going to do is modify the value. So let's say I was creating an account, and I wanted to see what different industries are available. So I can say accounting, copy that here like that. You can say finance, and if you want to use a bit of Salesforce terminology, I can say financial force, like that. And just like that, you've got multiple values in there now, ready to be selected. How does the push work? Well, if I grab a button, pop it underneath, and I'm going to call this one create account. We'll go ahead and create ourselves a nice push. And I'm going to create an account, and I will give this a label of list. And in the mapping, what you'll do is you'll find, obviously, the account name will go into an account name, but my field survey response is where I'm going to push the either value or the label. In this case, both are the same, so it doesn't really matter which one I'll choose, but I'll choose the label. Actually, I'll go for that. All right, so this is done. Close. Here's my push. Apply. Save. So preview. I'm going to call this one list account, and then I'm going to say finance and accounting are good to go for these, and then I'll go ahead and create the account. Now back to the integration logs, let's have a look. My account's been created, and let's go into it. So as you can see, this is my account, and what we've done is we've pushed the two values in there as accounting and finance with a semicolon between the values, and that is all there is to the push. That we will take multiple values from the list selected and push it into value in Salesforce, or a bunch of values comma delimited for you. And that really is all you need to know about this feature. The styling, obviously, I've explained. If you want to make a single selection, you can, which means they can only select once. And yeah, that's all there is to this one.